Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add the shop announcement and shop title. So your shop announcement appears under the listings on your shop homepage. You can update your announcement to alert shoppers to import information like a sale, or if you were away on vacation, to add or edit your shop announcement on the Etsy seller app. All you need to do is to do this next few steps. Go and click on more from navigation bar and then scroll down to shop settings. Select the shop appearance, then go to shop announcements and then simply add your announcement and choose save. The best announcements are generally where you have announcement text by some kind of basically emoji, so try to integrate them within the announcement, which is going to be looking pretty good. Now also for those who are using it through the PC, you can simply go to etsy.com, go to your shop manager, select the pencil icon next to your shop name under sales channel, go to announcement section, select add to shop announcement or edit and add your announcement, then choose save. So it's very simple and easy guys, and in case you would like to add like a title, you can do that as well from the same place. Now you can keep your announcement short and sweet because that's what's the point of announcement. You can add more detailed information to your about section, public profile, shop policies and item descriptions. If your shop isn't open to the public yet, you won't be able to add an announcement until you open your shop. So this is something to take in consideration. Well, while you are making the announcement, if the website wasn't open, then it won't appear. And yeah, this is basically how you can add your shop announcements and a title. Very easy and simple. Just go through these steps, different kind of mobile or PC. It's similar steps in general. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.